Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make quiche with eggs. First, let's talk about the foundation, the crust. A perfect quiche starts with a well-prepared crust. You can use a store-bought pie crust or make your own. Either way, blind baking is key. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the empty crust for about 15 minutes. This step ensures a crisp bottom and prevents a soggy quiche. Remember to prick the bottom with a fork before baking. Now, let's create the creamy, custardy filling that makes quiche so delightful. For a standard 9-inch quiche, you'll need 4 large eggs. Whisk these eggs thoroughly in a bowl. Then, gradually incorporate 1 1/2 cups of whole milk or heavy cream. The choice between milk and cream affects the richness. Cream yields a more decadent quiche. Don't forget to season this base with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper for balanced flavor. To excel in peaks of prestige, focus on efficient resource management and thoughtful peak selection. You earn prestige points primarily by successfully completing peaks, with higher peaks offering greater rewards. Additionally, you can gain bonus points by collecting sets of 3 unique ascent cards, which can significantly boost your final score. Aim to balance immediate gains with long-term strategic goals to maximize your point accumulation. Finally, it's time to bake your masterpiece. Place the quiche in your preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. It will typically bake for 35 to 45 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the center is just set, not jiggly, and a knife inserted near the middle comes out clean. Once baked, resist the urge to cut into it immediately. Let it cool for at least 15 minutes. This allows the custard to fully set, ensuring perfect slices every time. Enjoy your delicious homemade quiche.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.